Hello everyone, my name is Komla studying Science and Electronics and Communication in Sri Venkateshwara College. This subject is optical and wireless communication. I am going to explain wireless network generations: 0 generation, 1 generation, 2nd generation, 3rd generation, 4th generation and 5th generation, at last 6th generation. Introduction to wireless generations. Wireless network generation represented the evolution of mobile communication technology. Each generation has introduction significant important improvements in speed, converting and capabilities. Understanding these generations helps us to the advertisement in mobile communication. What is the zeroth generation? The zeroth generation refuses to early wireless communication system before the official mobile standards. Those systems, while primarily based on analog technology and while very limited in functionality. Example include basic radio communication system used in militaries and public services. Overview of first generation. First generation was the first first generation of wireless mobile communication. In, introduction in the introduced in the 1980s. It availabilities analog technology primarily for voice call without a data service. The introduction of the first communication mobile network marks a specific in communication. Key features of first generation. First generation system was a basic and circuit switched technology, allowing only voice technology. The mainly advantages was mobility, giving users unable to make calls on the go. However, first G technology has limited such as low power, poor voice, poor voice qualification and limited capacity. Overview of second generation. 2G was launched in the earliest 1990s and marked the trending to digital communication. It introduced features such as SMS and enhanced voice equal voice qualification. This generation leads the groundwork for mobile data service and more efficient network used. Key features of 2G. 2G network utilize digital technology leads to the better call qualification and security. It enhances the transmission of a small amount of data such as a text message. It introduction for a GSM global system of mobile communication was noticeable achievement. Overview for 3G. 3G technology emergency in the earlier 2000s significantly improved data transmission speed. It facilitates mobile internet access, video calling, and multimedia services. This generation allows users to expand the internet in a mobile format. Key features of 3G. 3G network supported higher data rates, allowing the faster browsing and downloading. Key Key technology includes UMTS, mobile telecommunication system, universal mobile telecommunication system, and CDMA 2000. It made mobile broadband services widely accessible, transforming users' expenses. Overview for 4G. 4G technology was introduced around 2009, focused on high-speed internet access. It offers significantly faster data rate and improved network network capacity. The LIT long-term evolution standards because synchronous with the 4G network. Key features of 4G. 4G network supported data rate up to the 1 Gbps, enhanced streaming and gaming expensive. They provided high improvement that responsiveness of applications and services. This generation also facilitates the growth of mobile apps and clouding services. Overview of 5G, fifth generation. Technology belongs rolling out of 2019. Revolution converts with ultra fast speed. It supports the mastery numbers and device and applications including IoT. 5G is designed to enable new technology like automatic vehicles and smart city. Key features of 5G. 5G network offer data rate ex, ex, exceeding 10 Gbps and significant enhanced users experience. Those features are ultra reliable, low battery, making them suitable for real-time application. The network architecture is more flexible, utilizing technology like network sliding. The future of 6G generation. 6G is anticipated to emergency around 2030s, promising even great capability. It, its aim was data rates of up to 100 Gbps and will likely incorporate AI and machine learning. This generation will focus on seamless, integrated and physical and digital worlds. Key features of 6G. 6G is expanded to provide converting in extremely low latency. It will support advanced applications like holographic communication and AR and VR. The integrated of advanced technology will enhance smarter network and services. Comparison of wireless communication. Each generation has introduced according to in speed, capacity and technology. The evolution of analog to digital is now to intelligent network is remarkable. Understanding those different highlights and repeats of technology processing. Impacts of wireless generation on society. Each generation has a transforming communication efficiency, personal and professionally interacting. Those they have enabled new business model and economical growth through mobile technology. Social behavior has shifting with the accessibility of informing and services. Challenges faced by wireless tech generation. Each generation encountering challenges such as infrastructure costs and regulation harms and security corners remaining a crucial issues escaping with the increasing converting. This needs the need of suitable solutions and energy efficient technology is paramount. Future trend in wireless technology, the focus is shifting towards integrating AI and machine learning and edge computing. Enhanced security measures will be set certain in future generation to protect our data. The ongoing development of cities, smart city and IoT will reduce highly on 5G and behind. Conclusion: the evolution of wireless generation has dynamic challenges how to communicate. Each generation has built upon the success and challenges of its processing. The future holding extending possibilities with the genetic advancement of 6G. Thank you for all watching my